So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Instagram music is just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, if you're going through and if you're making some sort of a story or a post or whatever, and you're trying to add some sort of music over your particular account, if for some reason it's not working, and there's a couple different reasons why this may be happening. So for number one, if you go and load into your particular application, and if it's not showing or if the song's not loading or whatever, you want to make sure you're typing in the name of that song properly. Also, not every single song is able to be opened up inside of this particular account. So you're just going to have to keep that in mind that not every song is always available. So if it's a song that just came out or if it's a song that is maybe not on DSPs, then it may not be available inside of this particular application either. So keep that in mind. Again, there's lots of songs available here. You can tap into the artist page and try finding it here. But if it's not here, then it's not going to be available. Another thing, like I said, just make sure you're typing it in right. If you're not typing in the right information, that's another problem that can probably end up happening too. If that's not working, you may want to try updating your Instagram application. So go inside of your app store just like this, tap on the search bar, and what you're going to want to do here is just type in Instagram, just like this. So go and type in Instagram, and you want to see if there's an update available for this application. A lot of the times there might just be an update available, and all you're going to have to do is update Instagram, and that's another thing you can do to end up fixing this problem. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, another thing you may want to try doing is to make sure Instagram isn't actually down. So what you can try doing here, is going to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, like one of these types of websites. And what you're going to want to do here is you want to just make sure Instagram isn't down. If Instagram's down, it'll show massive spikes. And if there's massive spikes, you're pretty much just going to have to wait it out until Instagram basically fixes the problem. So those are a few different ways to kind of fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.